URasool uthi akasisoli ngakusho ukumdonsela amanzi ngomsele nalapho athi khona uTrump uphatha budedengu isikhundla sokwengamela iMelika. Wayekhuluma neyingcithabuchopho esikhungweni iMaphungubwe Institute for Strategic Reflection iMISTRA.
It was not our choice to come home, but we come home with no regrets. I want to say that we would have liked to come back with a welcome like this if we could report to you that we had turned away the lies of a white genocide in South Africa, but we did not succeed in America with that.
URasool uthi iMelika yamanje ephethwe ngumengameli uDonald Trump ayisafani neyayibuswa ngabanye umengameli bangaphambilini, ingakho kuye kwafanele ulwimi lwakuleli luqine.
It is not the US of Obama. It is not the US of Clinton. It is a different US, and therefore our language must change, not only to transactionality, but also a language that can penetrate a group that has clearly identified a fringe white community in South Africa as their constituency, surrounded by a white diaspora in the White House.
Umhlaziyi wezombusazwe uSandile Swana uthi lokhu uRasool akusho mayelana nezwe iPalestine kuyahambisana nembono yaphakanyiswa yiqembu iANC.
What Rasool has actually pronounced is a consistent pattern of how his political ancestors and current leaders have analyzed and understood the situation of Palestine, the situation of racism and imperialism, land dispossession around the world.
Nakuba ekhonjwe indlela uRasool uthi ubudlelwane neMelika kufanele bugcine bulungisiwe, kodwa leli angeke lihlehle kulokhu elikholelwa kukho ukuze kufezeke lokho.